So here is the Grok AI video generator tutorial. First up, let's head over to the x.ai website. And as you can see, we're already here and Grok is selected. On the top here, you will get to see all of these sections. So go over to API and select pricing. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to view the pricing for different models and different rates. But keep in mind that these pricings only apply if you're using APIs. So for most use cases, this won't be necessary. Now let's go back and click on Try Grok on the bottom. So as you can see, we've now been redirected to this page right over here. Click on Sign Up or Sign In from the top right. After that, you can sign up with X or use your Google or Apple account. So I will be using Google. Choose your account and click on Continue. After that, you'll be signed in to Grok AI. Give it some time to load up. Once done, you'll be redirected to grok.com and this is what you will see. On the left here, you can see options like the search bar. Here, you can search for any chats from all of your chat history. After that, you have the chat option, which is this page right here. Then we have voice. But keep in mind that in order to use this, your microphone access should be allowed. Now, let's select Imagine. So this right here is the model that Grok uses for generating images or videos. If you scroll through the page, you'll be able to view images or videos made using Grok AI. Then we have projects. This is where all your projects will be, or you can create a new project right from here. You can also choose from any of these examples or create your own. On the top, you have My Projects, Shared with Me, or Examples. Then there is the History section. This is the same page that we've accessed through the search bar. On the bottom left corner, you have your profile icon through which you can access settings, tasks, files, Grokipedia, help, upgrade plan, or sign out. So for now, let's head over to the chat section on the top left. Here, you need to type in your prompt. If you click on the attachment option on the left side, you will get to see options to upload a file, add text content, draw a sketch, connect Google Drive, connect Microsoft OneDrive, or choose from recents. Then if you click on the spaceship icon, you can choose between any of these options according to your preference. And for Super Grok, you need to upgrade. So once you've put in the prompt for your image or video, just click on Send or press Enter. But before that, you need to confirm your age if you're using a new account. So select it from the options here and click on Continue. And as you can see, the output has now been generated. Right under it, you can see options like Regenerate, Read Aloud, Start Thread, Copy, Create Share Link, then like or dislike the output, and then if you go over to More, you will get to see Report Issue and Export to PDF. So let's try giving it one more prompt. For this one, I will type in something like create a female model. And as you can see, it started generating the response. Over here, it gave us multiple options that we can choose from for the model. You can also ask it to further modify or make the characteristics according to your own preference. So for this, I will choose one from the options suggested by Grok. This way, it will generate the characteristics for the model that I wanted. This way, you can get ideas or ask Grok AI to write you a prompt based on these requirements. As you can see, it also gave me some example images based on the description it gave me. You can use these ideas on Imagine to create the images. So for now, let's head over and click on Imagine on the left side. This is the model that's mainly used for images or videos. So on the bottom here, you will get to see this prompt box. And if you click on this attachment icon, you will see options like these. For now, let's type in the prompt into the text box. After that, let's press Enter. But if you notice, on the right side of the prompt box, image is selected. So we will only get images as outputs. As you can see, the images are ready. Choose the one that you want, and you can then turn this into a video. You can click on this video preset option and choose from these options according to your preference. Then just click on Make Video. You can also type in your prompt in order to customize the video according to your preference. And as you can see, the video has now been created. If you're satisfied with the result, just click on download, or you can also share it from right here. So after that, let's head over to the chat section from the top left. This time, let's try out a new prompt. So I will put in the prompt and press enter. Grok is now creating the new image. So as you can see, the images are now ready. Just wait for it to clear up. And once the images are ready, you will get to see this Make Video button right below them. Just click on it. And as you can see, the video is now being generated. It may take a while, so give it some time to load up. And it is now ready. This was made by Grok without any additional instructions. If you want to customize it according to your preference, you can type in a prompt for that as well. If you click on the three dots on the top, you can use any of these options if you want. So now let's go to the video presets and select fun. And the new video will start generating instantly. And you can clearly see the difference between the two. This one is clearly more fun. Now to test the customization, I will type in a prompt such as add a speech and generate again. And if you notice, the speed of generation is really fast compared to other models. So now, let's go back to the chat section once again. This time, we can try out something new. And keep in mind that you can easily download the generated videos if you want. So heading back to the previous page, this time I will type in a prompt such as create a young female model. And upon entering it, it starts generating the images right away. Once done, just wait for it to clear up. So as you can see, our model images are now ready. Same way as we've done before, you can click on the Make Video button on the image that you like. After that, the video will start being generated instantly. Give it some time to finish up. It only takes a couple of seconds. And as you can see, the image has been turned into a video, and it looks pretty good. Now, let's add a prompt to add some speech and say hi and welcome. And once we're done typing in the prompt, let's click on this Make Video icon over here. So let's wait for it to get done. And once it's ready, you will see that the instruction was followed. Even the lip syncing is perfect. You can mute or unmute the sound using the sound icon on the bottom right of the video. You can go through the options on the top in order to make any changes if you want. And if not, just click on the download icon and the video will be downloaded onto your device. And that's it. That is exactly how to generate video using Grok AI.